Hi there everyone! These carrot onion dinner rolls are among the best dinner rolls recipes you'll find. They're soft and fluffy and emit a wonderful aroma while baking. The combination of carrot and onion adds a delightful flavor profile. So let's get started. Chop up one medium onion. Grate one medium carrot, then set aside. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 and 2 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of white granulated sugar, and teaspoon instant dry yeast, and stir slightly. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and gradually incorporate 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. Knead the dough until smooth and pulse away from the side of the bowl. Then flatten it slightly. Add carrot, onion, and additionally 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Continue to knead until all ingredients are well incorporated. Grease a bowl with some oil. Place the dough inside. Cover and let the dough rest about 1 hour in one place until doubled in size. Your time may vary depending on temperature. Once the dough has rested, lightly grease your hands with oil. Divide the dough into 13 pieces, each piece about 63 grams. Shape each pieces into balls. Transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, cover and let it rest about 30 minutes. After that, bake in preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 22 minutes or until golden brown color. Once the dinner rolls are baked, let them cool slightly. With rolls, you can be served warm or cold. And that's it. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.